Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to set or change a chassis name in Oracle Linux 9 operating system. So first I am logging to Terminal Server User. Next I am typing the hostname ctl command. So here you can see that some default chassis name is got set, which means that it's showing as a VM. VM means virtual machine. So you can change this or modify this chassis name. So hostname ctl set -chassis desktop. So I am giving this chassis name as a desktop. Let me execute hostname ctl command. Yes, you can see that chassis name is got updated. So there are some predefined or qualified name or chassis name. So please verify the hostname ctl man pages for more chassis names. So you can't give random names here. Only some predefined values are available. Make sure that you have set that those values. Okay. So I am putting back the chassis name as VM itself. Yes. So this is the way you can modify or set the chassis name using hostname ctl command in Oracle Linux 9 operating system.